Today, we're preparing Ful Medames, a dish whose roots trace back thousands of years, once fueling the ancient Egyptian workers building the pyramids. Let's dive in.
Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another culinary adventure. Today, I'm taking you on a flavorful journey back in time to ancient Egypt, a civilization known for its monumental achievements and rich cultural heritage. We're diving into the world of Ful Medames, a breakfast dish that has been nourishing Egyptians for thousands of years, a true testament to its timeless appeal. Ful Medames, or simply Ful, has a history as rich as its flavor, deeply embedded in the daily lives of Egyptians from all walks of life. Imagine this, clay pots filled with fava beans, buried in embers overnight, creating a slow-cooked, hearty meal that's both nutritious and delicious. This method was used by everyone from laborers to royalty, showcasing its universal appeal and accessibility. Yes, even the pharaohs might have started their day with a bowl of ful. Let's talk ingredients and see what makes this dish so special. At its heart, Ful Medames is made of cooked fava beans, which are packed with protein and fiber. Then, we add garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, and a touch of cumin and salt, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. But that's just the beginning. The beauty of Ful Medames lies in its versatility. You can top it with chopped parsley, juicy tomatoes, creamy tahini, or even a perfectly boiled egg, each addition bringing its own unique twist to the dish. Preparation is straightforward but packed with love and care, ensuring every bite is filled with flavor. Start by gently mashing your cooked fava beans in a bowl, creating a creamy yet textured base. Mix in minced garlic, a generous squeeze of lemon juice, and a drizzle of olive oil, each ingredient enhancing the natural flavor of the beans. Season it with cumin and salt to taste, balancing the flavors perfectly. For the grand finale, add your favorite toppings, making it as simple or as elaborate as you like. Now, how is Ful Medames served? Traditionally, it's enjoyed in a bowl, drizzled with more olive oil for that extra richness. And of course, it's paired with warm baladi bread, perfect for scooping up every delicious bite and soaking up all the flavors. Here's a fun fact for you. Ful carts are still a common sight all over Cairo, serving as a beloved street food staple. These carts open early in the morning, serving workers on the go just like they did in ancient times, connecting the past with the present. So why not bring a taste of Egypt into your kitchen? It's easier than you might think and incredibly rewarding. Ful Medames isn't just a meal, it's a connection to history, a comfort food that has stood the test of time, offering a taste of tradition with every bite. Whether you're a history buff or just looking for a new breakfast favorite, give Ful Medames a try. It's a dish that brings people together. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's a piece of culinary history you can savor with every bite, making your mornings a little more special. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time and taste. I hope you enjoyed learning about Ful Medames as much as I enjoyed sharing it with you. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious adventures. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy cooking. May your kitchen be filled with joy and your table with delightful dishes.